With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I am your teacher for this question, and the question is 20 ml of a 0.1 molar solution of compound Na2CO3.NaHCO3.2 water is titrated against 0.05 m HCl. X ml of HCl is used when phenolphthalein is used as an indicator, and Y ml of HCl is used when methyl orange is used as indicator in two separate titrations. Hence Y minus X is. So in this question it is given that a compound Na2CO3.NaHCO3.2 water whose concentration is 0.1 molar and volume is 20 ml is titrated against 0.05 molar HCl. Now it is said that X ml of HCl is used when phenolphthalein is used as an indicator, and Y ml of HCl is used when methyl orange is used as an indicator in two separate titrations. Hence we have to calculate the volumes of HCl used in when two different indicators are used. So when phenolphthalein indicator is used, that is HPH is used, only Na2CO3 will get half neutralized. NaHCO3 will not get neutralized because phenolphthalein shows the color change or gives indication when NaHCO3 is formed. It will not get further neutralized, so it is only half neutralized. So we can say the reaction Na2CO3 plus HCl, it will form NaHCO3 plus water. It means the half equivalents of base will be equal to the equivalents of acid used, half, or we can say milli equivalents, as the volume is given in milliliters, so we can say half milli equivalents of Na2CO3 would be equal to the milli equivalents of acid as using HPH only Na2CO3 will react, NaHCO3 will not get neutralized in case of HPH. So milli equivalents will be equal to the molar concentration into volume into N factor. So the molar concentration of Na2CO3 is given as 0.1 molar into its volume, that is 20 ml, and its N factor will be 2, as Na2CO3 will give 2 Na positive and CO3 2 negative ions, so the charge on the cation or anion is 2, so it will be equal to 2, and milli equivalents of acid will be equal to the molarity of acid used, that is 0.05 molar into its volume, that is X ml, into its N factor. For HCl it will be 1, as it will form H positive and Cl negative ions, so the charge on the anion or cation is 1. So now we can calculate X from here. It will be 2 is equals to 0.05 into X, so X will be equals to 2 upon 0.05. this will give us 40 ml. It means 40 ml of acid is used when phenolphthalein indicator is used. Now when methyl orange is used as an indicator, both Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 will react, as Na2CO3 will react with HCl and it forms NaHCO3 plus water, and NaHCO3 will react with HCl and it forms NaCl plus H2CO3. So now we can say that then this NaHCO3 will also will get neutralized to NaCl plus H2CO3. It means both the Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 will get completely neutralized. It means the milli equivalents of Na2CO3 plus milli equivalents of NaHCO3 will be equal to milli equivalents of acid used acid HCl. So now the milli equivalents of Na2CO3 will be equal to its concentration, that is 0.1, into its volume, that is 20, and its N factor, that is 2, plus the milli equivalents of NaHCO3, its concentration is same 0.1, volume is 20 ml, and its N factor will be 1, as it gives Na positive and HCO3 negative ion. So the charge on the cation or anion is 1, so we will write N factor as 1. Now for milli equivalents of acid, in case of methyl orange, it is given that Y ml of acid is used and its concentration is 0.05, and N factor we have calculated above is, we have written above is 1. So for this it will also be 1. So from here it will be 4 plus 2 equals to Y into 0.05. So 6 is equals to Y into 0.05. So Y will be 6 upon 0.05. That will be 5 into 20. It will be 120 ml. So in the question it is asked that Y minus X is. So Y minus X will be 120 minus 40. So it will be 80 ml. So I hope you understood the question solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.